2, 1, go. Right 5 plus, left 4 minus late. Right 4, opens over 75, cut tightens 4, 30. Left 4 plus, long fast over crest opens, 70. Right 4 late, opens over 95, tightens 4 minus, opens over 95, tightens 4 minus, 20. Left 5, fast over crest down 45, cut left 4 long, over crest okay, 120. Right 5 late, fast, opens long, tightens in at crest, cut left 4 long, and cut left 4 long, and right 6, crest left 4 fast, 100. Right 5 plus, past crest, nips at brow, 75. Right 4 sumper, crest, left 6, 30. Max long crest, right 5 late fast, 70. Slowing cut, left 3 minus, slowing cut, left 3 minus, 30. Max crest, 50. Max right 6 plus, 25. Right 4 plus, late over crest. And cut left 4 plus, opens, 65. Max left 5 plus, long, 50. Right 5 tightens, brow, 35, tightens. Right 5 fast, opens over 45, tightens cut, Max crest going left 6 minus over 65, tightens 5 minus over crest, 5 minus, 50, cut right 4 minus long, kinks over 45, right 5 short and left 4 fast, late past brow, 50, right 4 late, opens over 55, nips past brow, and nips at crest, left 5 minus, tightens 3, 70, right 5 sharp, 30, left 4 plus, late over crest, and max right 5 plus, 20, max left 5, 50, max right 30, left 5 over fast crest, 30, right 4 long, 100. Turn left 5 minus, crest 55, left 5 over 45, nips at tree, tightens, 30. Right 5 plus, 25, keep right 5 slowing and tightens 3 fast, 45. Max right, long crest going, left 4 plus, long, tightens 3 plus, after crest cut, long tightens 3 plus, after crest cut, and right 4, over 125, tightens, over 125, tightens, opens, continues over max crest, 50, left 6 over crest, and long crest going, left 5, tightens 4, cut right 3 sumper, 70.
Oh boy.
You're right, cut left 4 minus, crest, right 4 plus short, cut max left 5 minus, opens over 95, tightens cut 5 minus long, up here, max crest, max right, 95, cut right 5 minus long, left 5 plus, slowing 30, cut right 3 late, opens, and tightens 5, tightens 5, 50, left 4 plus, opens over 45, tightens, opens, nips, and right 4 at crest, opens, very long, and left 4 plus fast, 50, right 5 plus, tightens, and cut left 4 long over crest, opens, 70.
Oh boy.
You're right. Right 5 minus long, crest and cut max right 5, long, crest and cut max right 5, 30. Left 5 plus, fast over crest, 70. Cut right 4 over crest, tightens. Right 4 over crest, tightens. Cut left 5 minus. Cut right 5 minus, 70. Left 5 fast over crest, tightens.
Left 5
Left
faster.
over crest, tightens. Opens over 45, tightens again, cut 150. Max right 6, opens over 55. Tightens max 30. Cut left 5 over max crest. Slowing 50, turn right 2 minus long, don't. 30. Max left 5, 25. Max cut left 5 plus over brow, 50.
What's this?
Max cut left 5 plus over brow, 50. Max right 6 long. And max left 5 plus. And cut right 5 over max crest, 50. Stay left over max jump, 100. Right 5 plus long, tightens 5 minus. Okay, tightens 5 minus, okay. Continues, 30. Brow going max left, 95. Left 4 plus, very long, tightens, cut over crest. Left 4 plus, very long, tightens, cut over crest. Very long, then tightens, cut over crest. 30.
Yeah.
Brow going, right 4 opens long. 30. Fast crest going, left 5 plus. 120. Right 5 plus, very late, fast. 30. Left 4 plus. Long crest. Left 5 cut, tightens 4. Left 5 cut, tightens 4. And hug right 3 plus. This is hug right 3 plus. 30. Max left. Brow 50. Max right 5 plus. Opens very, very long. 30. Max left over crest 70. Right 5 minus long 70. Left 5 plus. Long crest going. Right 5 plus. Caution braking tightens. 20. Hug left 3 long. And tightens 3 minus. 30. Hug right 2 long. Is hug right 2 long. 100. Don't left 4 minus long. So don't left 4 minus long. Right 5 over finish. Got it, mate.
Yes. Oh, sorry, Yuji. Heck yes. Anyone that beat us on that deserves it. But
So 9 quicker than our first one.
holy cow, that was a good run. That was a really good run.